Hi, myself Vaibhav Ghuge. I am a performer, entertainer, and a choreographer. You must have seen me in many dance study shows, and currently I am performing on Sony Television, a show called Super Ensemble.
Why do you think competitions like Viva for the arts community in general?
I would just say competitions like Viva is happening today on a grander scale. That builds a confidence in a kid. Uh, some might be good in studies, some might be not in good in studies, but this platform can take their future or their career to on another level by performing on the stage, by building the confidence, and performing their art or their talent in front of the audience or the world. That might give them a push towards their life with the art, with the support of art. Every artist is born for stage, and whenever I see stage, I feel like dancing. I feel like performing, and here I'm here to get inspired from the kids because I know they have worked hard for this platform. And today, may everyone give their best and may the best win.
Thank you for your time.